you see now the file has both it is about 4 gigabit and df-x shows that now it is used 5.2 gigabit, so that means we only allocate more 1 gigabit from the system, and we don't touch other about 3G for the Reflink file. And usage is just what we write just now. Okay, so this is a fragment shows about how the file looks after we write 1 gigabit to the Reflink file. We write the offset. Okay, we seek to about 5 megabytes. Okay, so this is what the file looks like. So just look at the logical offset. So the first 5 megabytes are just shared with other files, and the following 2 gigabit have allocated from the system, and they are not shared. And the following are still shared, and they don't cost more disk space. So now just about some examples about how Reflink works in OCFS2. So now this is the current status for Reflink. From the February, we promote this in the summit held in the United States. So the good news is Reflink and OCF2 have been merged into Linux kernel mainline 2.632, and this is just a current working cycle, and I guess now it is about RC 7 or 8, and can remember clearly. But in the latest stable kernel, we will have this good feature. And just as I have said before, we at first promote a system call that is Reflink, but it haven't been accepted by the kernel, especially Linux. So, and Linux has promoted us to change it to another system call, maybe named copy file. But no matter what's the name, we need to change something, and it may be integrated into Linux kernel soon. Maybe next cycle 2.6. 33 or 34, I'm not sure. It's now handled by Joe Becker, my colleague. And, the third status is OCF2 1.6 for enterprise kernel will have Reflink. 1.6 is a kernel for Red Hat Enterprise Linux or SUSE Enterprise Server. So I guess maybe in the beginning of the next year, we will have Reflink in enterprise kernel, and both Red Hat and Novell will support it. Okay, so here's the status about how Reflink will use in Oracle VM, the Zen product in Oracle. Oracle VM 3.0 will have OCF2 1.6 installed, and OCF2 will also be one type of Oracle Storage Connect program. Oracle Storage Connect program is a program which Oracle just announced in Oracle Open World this This October, it facilitated Oracle VM's users to use different storage types and don't need to configure it too much things. So OSI 2 will be one of this type, and it will be very easier for the user to use it. Maybe too short. So that's the status update. Is there any questions or something? This is all about Linux kernel. So maybe. Please.
Yeah, at least Becker has similar functionality, and so I guess a generic syscall would work equally well.
Yeah. Actually, Reflink is currently in the very first beginning. Chris Mason and Joe Becker has discussed it, and we actually in this maybe in early this year we have a file system summit in San Francisco in the US, and we have a consensus about the Reflink to get merged into Linux kernel mainline, but maybe they don't, at that time, Ernest Thomas don't attend this summit, so, and we discussed it in Linux FSD, we are not in Linux kernel, so when we want to get merged, we must promote some other styles, and so we have to change our original design, and so maybe I guess in 34 we can get it merged in system call. So now both FS and also to use our control to improve this.
Yeah, it's a bit odd.
We have a long time to get a system merged into mainline.
Any further questions? Yeah, if there's no further questions, we can